Page 1. Today we live in a world where you can generate a series of images and pick the one you like. The artist, the designer, and the architect may now become one of two things: a window shopper or a slave to the database. With Zaha Hadid architects already using both Midjourney and DALL-E to show concept work to their clients, simply by using the tag in the style of Zaha Hadid. One architect at the practice said, "I believe the fluid nature of AI tools like Midjourney, along with the presence of a large number of Zaha images in the database and training data, enables us to generate images that reflect the characteristics, aesthetics, and spatial identity of our firm's work." Page 2. These images in this catalogue are generated using the AI Stable Diffusion. These images are designed not to offend or upset, but rather draw attention to the era of absurdity that we are entering. The role of the artist is now to produce a database for the machine. Art is window shopping. Why take a photo, draw an image, or make a model? Why respect when you can take? Let's ask the machines for what we want. Let us fulfill our fantasies with a push of a button. The world is ours to use, and the AI is just another tool. Window shopping is here to stay. Consume. We live in a society in which people often buy new goods, especially goods they do not need, and in which high value is placed on owning many things. The database is no different. AI needs everything. The AI is like a seabed trawler, dragging its net across the floor of the internet and indiscriminately downloading, labeling, and learning from everything it finds. The only way a fish can survive such an event is to not be in the ocean at all. To create art that is safe, we must not share it online. Your pencil marks must exist only on the paper and nothing more. Page 4. The only thing holding you back is your GPU. The speed at which you generate AI images or digital currency, such as Bitcoin, is limited only by your graphics card, your supply of energy, and how efficiently you can cool it all. The GPU is the tool that owns us. Page 5. Hypercapitalism. Capitalist society organization marked by the speed and intensity of global flows that include exchange of both material and immaterial goods, people, and information. Hypercapitalism, sometimes referred to as corporate capitalism, is blamed by critical scholars for causing misbalance and fragmentation of social life by allowing commercial or business interests to penetrate every aspect of human experience. In other words, critical scholars believe that once separated spheres of culture and commerce now overlap, and in return, culture and the way of life in a hyper-capitalist society become subservient by the commercial sphere. Page 6. To coexist in a world with AI, we must learn to spot it. We are all aware when scrolling through Instagram or flicking through a magazine that every image is photoshopped. In this new world, we must assume that every image is created by an AI, and we must assume every image we produce is taken by an AI. We can rebel and protest if we choose, but it is too late in the digital space. Architecture and design must expand. We still own the physical. We can work with AI, but to claim ownership we must rebel. We must add brushstrokes and pencil marks. We must scratch into surfaces and leave our greasy fingertips on touchscreens. We can learn from nature. Nature weathers surfaces and allows for plants to grow in cracks. AI is here to stay. Time for us to set boundaries and to defend what we believe is worth defending. Thank you.